Ever wish you could just type a sentence and watch it become a real video? Well, now you can. I'm Zeb, and Google just dropped an amazing new AI tool called Veo 3. It takes your simple text ideas and turns them into high-quality, movie-like videos. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, how to write great prompts to get the best results, and how you can try it for free. Let's get started. So what is Google Veo 3? Simply put, Veo 3 is Google's latest AI video maker. You type what you want to see, and it creates a video for you. It's smart. It understands camera angles, lighting, and style, so the videos look really professional. But here's the coolest part. It doesn't just make silent videos. It automatically adds background music, sound effects, and can even narrate lines of text you give it. To use it, you'll need a paid Google plan. But the great news is you can try it totally free for your first month. I've left a link below so you can check out the plans. How to make your first video. Once you sign up, you just go to Gemini, that's Google's AI chat. Look for the video button, type in your idea, and hit submit. Let's try a simple one. A slow motion shot of warm chocolate chip cookies coming out of the oven in a sunny kitchen. Look at that. It generated that video from just that one sentence. It's not perfect, but it's pretty incredible for an AI. How to add a voiceover. Want it to narrate something? It's easy. Just put the exact words you want it to say in quotation marks in your prompt. For example, and add this narration. History is being made as the Kevin Cookie Company unveils the world's largest cookie. See? It adds a voice that perfectly matches the scene. A super helpful tip. Not sure how to describe your video? Just ask Gemini for help. You can type, "Can you help me write a prompt for a video about bakers making a giant cookie?" It will give you a super detailed, cinematic prompt that you can use or tweak. Let the AI do the hard work for you. When you're happy with your video, just click the download button to save it to your computer. So, we've just created the world's largest chocolate chip cookie. Or have we? With tech this good, it's getting harder to tell what's real and what's AI. But don't worry, I'm real. I think. This face is way too good to be AI. And this is, without a doubt, the best cookie I've ever tasted.